Hello, my name is Jelly Eugenio, and I know it's hard to find the one nowadays, but today we will find your match. So today I will help you find the one. And by the one, I mean a flawless concealer. So here are our searchies na naghahanap ng perfect na concealer for each of their skin concern.
Hi, I'm Queen. I'm looking for the perfect one for my dark circles.
Hi, I'm Marielle. I'm looking for the perfect one for my pimples and dark marks.
Hi, I'm Jamie and I'm looking for the perfect multi-use product that is long-lasting.
So now that we know their flaws and concerns, ito na ang ating solution for that, ang Flawlezza by Vice Cosmetics. These are liquid concealers that help even out and perfect the skin. It is very lightweight, it has a silky texture, and has a long-lasting and natural finish. And it comes in 8 shades, which is actually madami na siya for a local brand. It is actually a first. So yun, if you have fair skin, light skin, medium skin, and deep skin, they have all of the shades for you. And they also have a blending sponge. And the best thing is it's only 245 pesos. First things first, skin prep is key for a flawless finish. So if you have dry skin, please use moisturizer. This is very important. If you use the right base, you will get the full effect and the benefits of your products. And if you have oily skin naman like me, this product is so perfect because the finish of this concealer is matte, so this will last you all day long. So Queen has fair skin, so we will use the shade Tisay. The Flawlezza concealers works even better for dark spots and pimple marks because it is self-setting. It is a new technology being introduced into our local market where you don't even need to set the concealer with powder. It will set on its own. So we just came back from the beach and Marielle has tan skin now, so we're using the deep shade called Morena. So what I do is I apply the concealer on the spots first and then I let it dry for a very short while. Be careful because this product again is self-setting, so it dries very quickly. So after that, I will blend it right away. Again, this product has medium coverage, so you can build it up depending on the coverage that you want. Jamie has light skin, so we're gonna use the shade called Kinesa. These concealers are special because they have skin-loving ingredients. It has sodium hyaluronate for skin hydration. It has argan oil to support dry skin. And it has vitamin E known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And you can also use the deeper shades for bronzing or contouring. And there you go. Now you see how the Vice Cosmetics Flawlezza concealers perform. And the winner for today is you! All you have to do is tag 2 of your friends in the comment section down below. And don't forget to put this video up on your IG stories and share it with your friends. And we will pick 5 lucky winners who will win the full set of the Vice Cosmetics Flawlezza concealer. And we will announce the winners on June 15. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.